Let me ask you a question. Do you like Sloppy Joes? Of course you do. They're delicious. Sloppy Joes are a classic American dish. They've been enjoyed by families for generations. This hearty sandwich consists of ground beef cooked in a tangy tomato sauce and served on a soft bun, or whatever the heck you choose to serve it on. While you can certainly buy pre-made Sloppy Joe mix at the store, that would be ridiculous. Making your own homemade version is simple, delicious, and allows you to customize the flavor to your liking. Here's what you're going to need if you decide to make Sloppy Joes at home. Ground beef, an onion that you're going to chop up, a green bell pepper that you're also going to chop up, 2 cloves of garlic that you're going to mince. What's the difference between mincing and chopping? Well, mincing is chopping, only smaller. Ha! You're going to need 1 can of crushed tomatoes, half a cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, yellow mustard, salt and pepper, and burger buns, or bread, or crackers, or a shoe, however you want to eat it. The directions for this recipe, exactly how to make it, are on therustypan.com. So go over to that website, search up Sloppy Joes, and there you go. Or look in the notes below this video. I will put a link to it, okay? For all you lazy people who don't want to type therustypan.com and then search for it, all you got to do is click that little link, and it'll take you straight to that recipe, and you'll see how easy it is to make Sloppy Joes. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon.